plumb bob to check what?
The exact datum.
I'm sorry, say again?
To find out exactly where the datum is.
Where the...
Datum. The leading edge of the wing.
Okay. So the leading edge of the wing, he's measuring against what? The wheel?
Not measuring anything. He's using the plumb bob to find out exactly where it's at. And then once he finds out where that's at, then he's measuring it from the center of the wheel bearing to the datum.
Oh, okay. So if it's off by half inch, means something's twisted?
I don't know. That'd be a great question for Steve.
The bob will be straight down when it's... And that tells you where the leading edge is. And then turn around. Here, you want me to log it, or you got it? Okay, so...
And what are you supposed to do, Steve?
I don't remember what the Hummel is. From the center of the string to the front of the axle, or to the center? Center axle, okay. Well, it ain't no more than half an inch. Up to here is the center. The axle. Half inch, about an inch. Well, the center of the axle. Center of the axle. Yeah, right there to the string. Right there's the center of the axle. You can pull the string closer to it if you want.
Yeah, I'd pull that string over.
Steve, if it's over by half inch, does that make something okay? You allow it short of 1 inch.
I don't know, it's the way you bolted it on or made it. I would say it's no more than half inch to me.
Yeah, that's...
And that 1 inch marker's on the front side of the axle. Right there's the center. You say about a half inch?
It's too dark down in there with that skirt on there.